In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll go from a simple Google search all the way to saving a page as a draft inside Webflow, keeping everything clear and efficient. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. On the results page, look for the official result titled Webflow. Create a custom website. Visual Website Builder. Click that result. It should take you to Webflow's official site, where you can access your account and projects. Always make sure you're on the legitimate webflow.com domain before continuing. Once you're in Webflow, navigate to your dashboard and locate the project you want to work on. On the project card, click View Site. This opens the project so you can quickly access the controls you need. From here, you're just a few clicks away from managing your pages. Inside the interface, find the Pages panel. It's typically located in the left sidebar and labeled Pages. Click it to reveal a list of all the static pages for your site, and possibly any CMS templates if you have them. This panel gives you a clear overview of what's currently on your project and is the central place to adjust page-level settings. Next, identify the page you want to adjust and click the small gear icon next to its name. That gear icon opens the page's settings, where you can review details like the page name, slug, SEO options, and visibility controls. This is where we'll make the change to draft status. Within the page settings, look for a small arrow that expands additional options or a status menu. Click that arrow to reveal more choices. You'll see the control that lets you adjust the page's visibility. Choose Save as Draft. This marks the page as a draft, meaning it won't be included the next time you publish your site. It's perfect when a page isn't ready for visitors, or you need more time to revise content without removing the entire site from public view. After saving as a draft, the page remains available for you to edit in the designer, but it will stay hidden from your live site until you change its status back. When you're ready for it to go public again, return to the same settings and switch it out of draft. That's it. You searched for Webflow on Google, opened your project, navigated to Pages, entered the page settings, expanded the options, and saved the page as a draft. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.